Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, so a new video. I am right now in the Bali night market where people normally make the Balinese cuisine, the famous specialities, and this stall where I'm at the moment specializes in cooking purely vegetarian dishes. All right, so I'm gonna flip the screen right now and show you what is being prepared so that you guys can take a look. All right, I'm gonna flip the screen now. Okay, so what you see is right now peanut paste that is being prepared, which will be added onto the dish. So the peanuts have been grinded and oil has been added onto it. It's a mixture which is going to be used as a condiment for the fried rice that she's preparing. And fried rice is basically going to contain sprouts, as you can see on the left hand side of this dish, and we've got some corn, some beans. Alright, so, and there'll also be lots of tofu which will be added onto the dish. So you won't be lacking on the protein in case if you're a person conscious of the protein intake. So do come and check out this place, guys. Just because you're a vegetarian, that doesn't mean, you know, you gotta be depriving yourself of not coming out and exploring the available options out here. Alright, talk to you guys soon. No videos coming up. Bye bye.